Hi everyone! In today's video we will learn more about the structure of senhasegura's backup directories. Well, this is my backup folder that I created using CIFS actually. And here I'm showing my local Windows folder, but in your case, you may be using a remote server or a cloud resource, such as an AWS bucket. And it is also possible that you're using a Linux distribution with the rsync, right? Regardless of what you're using, the directory structure should always be the same. In the root directory, we have a folder called Secrets and another one called Systems and the Write Task file that suffers constant changes whenever senhasegura needs to run connectivity tests and check if it can write data on the remote directory. For example, I'm recording this video at 4:14 p.m., which is also the time the file was last modified. Let's start by drilling down into the Secrets folder. You can see it is organized by date. Every day, in the middle of the night, senhasegura will run an automated process to create backups of all credentials. This means the Secrets folder stores all the credentials, secure data, SSH keys, and overall sensitive information. They are all backed up here. And this folder is subdivided chronologically. On the 4th of February, we have a set of credentials and secrets. Same thing for the 7th of February. But please note that my system has skipped a few dates because it is just a test computer. It was not on every day. I will go to the 22nd of February when I'm recording this video, so we can take a look at the credentials folder and see my senhasegura credentials. Inside this folder, you will see the device to which these credentials are linked. I can click here to see the credentials one by one. You will see that they are all stored in AES file format. But when would you have to come here? Since these are all encrypted files, you would need a master key to decrypt it. So let's say your environment has suffered a complete disaster and now you need the administrator password for this Windows device. You can then come here, use the master key that you have to create a hash. You put this hash into a third-party decryption application to read these files and then access the password for this credential. This is why this folder is so important. Now let's get back to the backup root directory. Now let's see what's inside the system folder. Here we have the ARZ folder or warehouse. And here you will find senhasegura's host user. My host is called SSLab, as you can see here. And inside you will find the year first, and then the dates. This is where you'll find the backups of all recorded sessions. This is the main purpose of this directory. And as was the case in the last folder, the sessions are organized according to the date when they were recorded. So I am in 2022, and here you can see the months and days. On the 18th of February, I can find the encrypted video files of all my sessions in senhasegura on that day. Now, heading back, what about the DB folder? These are the dump files of our database. In other words, the backup files for the system database. This is another thing you may need to recover your environment in the event of a disaster. Well, that's all for today, and thank you for your time.